Hi everyone, I'm Esther. I am going to teach you all how to set up company profile in SQL Accounting. Click File, then select Company Profile. Fill in all the information here, such as the company name, company registration number, select your industry code, and the details under the General tab, including attention, address, and other relevant fields. If necessary, you can also edit the report header and footer to customize your report. Here, you can preview the final format after editing is completed. In the My Envoi section, the system will display your company's TIN and BRN. Click Save, then click Connect My Envoi. Log into your My Envoi portal to complete the setup. You can modify the GST, SST, online payment, and email settings as needed. Settings are optional, adjust them only if needed. After all information is filled in, click Save to complete the setup.